Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to add a password lock in your Netflix profile. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to have some privacy in your own profile. Let's get started by opening a browser. It could be any browser, it could be Safari, Google, and in my case, I'm using Opera GX. So just search for Netflix. Once you're here, you're gonna have to tap on sign in. And now that you've signed in, as you can see, I'm in the Netflix menu app. This is where you can see all the shows and movies that you can watch. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Tap on account. Scroll down to profiles. And then choose a profile to add a lock on. And as you can see on the third option, from language, viewing restrictions, and then profile lock, tap on change. And then now you're gonna have to write in the account password, meaning you're gonna have to type the password for the whole account. After that, you're gonna be able to add a profile lock. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.